Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video with me, James, here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we will of course go through once again some of the major talking points and features. So this vehicle is the 430D M Sport Coupe and it is presented in the fantastic mineral grey. Alongside that we fitted the vehicle with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. We've also added the 20-inch G20 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which look absolutely fantastic against that mineral grey. At the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2018 18 plate, so of course it does inherit that lovely facelift. Alongside that you'll notice the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills, and of course once again that real standout feature is those absolutely fantastic alloy wheels, which are currently the most popular alloy wheel we do have here at Your Next Car. We're really selling these very fast and people are always saying how nice they look, especially so when they come to see the vehicle in person. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance stickers. The vehicle also has got the privacy glass as well. The interior on the vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which not only has the heated seat option, it also comes equipped with the electric movement and memory for the driver's side. We'll go ahead and take a glance at the rear seats. Now of course on the 4 Series Coupe you have a very nice Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a centre folding armrest and a centre storage tray, and you'll also get that lovely black M Sport headlining, which really does finish the interior off very nicely to give it that very nice executive yet sporty look. Once again, I'm just going to show you how nicely presented these alloy wheels are before we head round to the rear, where already you can see another nice touch on this vehicle, which is the new style of rear diffuser we're currently being able to offer here at Your Next Car. Alongside that, the new facelift rear lights. You'll also see the high gloss rear boot spoiler. Opening up the tailgate reveals the exceptionally large boot space that you'll find on the 4 Series Coupe, which of course can be made further larger by the fact we have got the split folding seat option. And there you'll be able to see the nicely presented genuine BMW floor mats that will accompany the vehicle as well. Closing that down again, I'm just going to go for a nice close-up shot of this fantastic new diffuser. As you can see there, it really does just add another depth of aggression to the vehicle, making the 4 Series, which is already a very nice aggressive gorgeous vehicle, stand out even further, especially with this wheel and colour package. So moving on into the interior, as there is even more special stuff to get through. There is the memory controls, of course, for the driver's side. I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle, start the car up first of all, and we'll go through some of the major features inside. So of course you're greeted with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently we've got the DAB screen up, however you do have a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including that very nice music collection where you can store and rip music directly to the vehicle's hard drive. Alongside that you've got USB inputs as well as AUX and of course Bluetooth. Not only have you got Bluetooth media, you of course get a Bluetooth telephone. There is the navigation screen, and if we click the main menu button, this is again where you'll see the difference between a facelift and a pre-facelift vehicle. They've now separated everything into nice little menus, or sub-menus as BMW like to call it. The vehicle also comes with the Connected Drive Plus. Connected Drive Plus gives you access to the online search, news and weather functions, all powered by Google, and the vehicle has its own integral 4G network, so it will not use any of your personal data. Very useful tool, often overlooked, as of course it does mean you can search for things on the go. You're not having to pull over, use your mobile phone, because of course using this is safe and legal, more to the point. Down here, dual climate control, also where you'll find these switches for the heated seats, as well as that beautiful 3-litre diesel engine. We've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with the paddles, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 30,000 miles and is a very tidy, clean example of how a 430D M Sport can look here at Your Next Car. So as always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where as always I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And you'll also find down below in the description all of the relevant contact information, and of course this vehicle will also be on our website, so you can find out further details and of course all of the relevant information regarding prices, and of course any finance options should that be relevant to your purchase if you are looking to purchase the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.